So day 3 of BJP JDS Padayatra. Now we are joined in by BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra. Sir, how the procession is going on first of all, and second, yesterday Congress High Command came to Bangalore and they said that asked all the ministers to stay with the CM Siddaramaiah. How do you react to it?
Day by day, enthusiasm in our Padayatra is increasing. Both BJP as well as JDS together we are carrying out this Padayatra and it's been successfully reached third day. The fact that the Congress High Command, Venugopal and Surjewala, came to Bangalore yesterday trying to take MLAs into confidence of the ruling party itself shows the ruling Congress government under Siddaramaiah ji, they feel threatened by our Padayatra, by our protest.
Sir, Keshav Venugopal yesterday said that BJP and JDS are trying to destabilize the Congress-led government in Karnataka.
Rather, Chief Minister should accept that the MLAs within the ruling party have lost confidence in Siddaramaiah's leadership. The same Congress party is the same Siddaramaiah who claims champion of Dalit community and backward class is completely exposed in last 15 months. ST development scam, Mysore Muda scam, more than 5,000 crores has been looted. Day for yesterday, Parishram, police sub-inspector, committed suicide. In spite of bribing ruling party MLA for his transfer, his work was not done. So officer has committed suicide, an officer who belonged to Dalit community. They talk about Baba Saheb Ambedkar, they talk about backward class and Dalit, but everybody is suffering in this corrupt Congress government.
So Congress yesterday also importantly mentioned that this BJP and JDS are doing this political drama to save their children.
Let them take control of their MLAs. Say Congress government, Siddaramaiah government is exposed. People of Karnataka have realized the Congress party which used to talk about development with the same Congress party leaders who used to talk development of Dalit community. They looted the money which belonged to the welfare of the same Dalit community. So Congress is totally exposed. Unnecessarily they are blaming Bharatiya Janata Party and JDS and Raj Bhavan also.
So last question. What next after 7 to 8 days of Padayatra? Will BJP continue to fight its, demanding CM Siddaramaiah's resignation? Or what is the BJP strategy over it?
We'll strategize after consultation with the leaders. But what is more important, just we have begun the third day of our Padayatra. Congress High Command was forced to come to Bangalore yesterday. I am sure by the end of our protest, Siddaramaiah will be forced to resign.
So one more question. This is one of the top events. This is one of the top events that you have organized after you took over as the BJP state president. What do you have to say about it?
They see the confidence among our party leaders and cadres, and especially when BJP and JDS are fighting against this corrupt Congress government. Not only BJP and JDS, entire state is up against this corrupt Congress government. So it has given more energy, more strength to our Padayatra.
Thank you, sir. So that was Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra who said that BJP will continue to, stage fight against the Muda scam. With camera person Shiv, Mahesh for India Today, Ramnagara.